Oh, hi, it's Miss Dina with Matisse, Monet and me. I almost didn't see you. I am getting buried under all these packages, all this stuff. There's so much garbage here. There's bubble wraps and paper and oh, so much paper. I just had an idea. Why don't we make something from all this? I love bubble wrap. We're going to start with bubble wrap today. And we're going to do some, no, not popping. We're going to do printing. So to print, we're going to use a roller from the kitchen and our bubble wrap. Now, if you don't have bubble wrap, you could find it in some of those wonderful packages. If you go ahead and take one and cut off the ends all around, the inside is bubble wrap. Now what we need is the other side of the bubble wrap though, because we need the part that has some crevices in it. So you could peel this off. I did just peel one a second ago pretty easily. I don't know how quickly I can peel for you. So if you get your finger underneath there to start, you can tear. Oh, that one came off pretty good. So you can tear your bubble wrap, and the other side is the one that you need. Now some tear easier than others. This one didn't tear so well. It left some little spots on it, which I could sit and try to pick off, but I really like them. I think they're going to work for what we're doing. So I'm going to use this one. I will take my rolling pin, ask Mom first to borrow it, and Dad from the kitchen. And I'm going to roll my bubble wrap on here by putting some tape. Now, any tape will really work. I love my Gorilla tape. It's my favorite tape ever. So I'm going to roll that on here. And when I get it to about where I want it, I'm going to overlap it a bit and cut some off, because the rest of the bubble wrap I might want to use for something else. Tape it on. And we're ready to go. The next thing we're going to need is some paper. So I'm going to go ahead and use this big piece of paper that I found. And I'm going to keep it nice and big and make a gigantic piece of art that the whole family might want to join in on. You're probably going to need a big space. You could use the dining room table, make sure you cover it first, or you could go outside and put this in the driveway to work as well. Now for the paints I'm going to use today, I am going to use some acrylic paints. The reason being is that this is a brown paper and our tempera paint won't cover it as well as an acrylic will. So I like to use these lids. You could use a plate as well, a paper plate. I have a lot of lids that I recycle and use, and I'm going to go ahead and put some paint on my lids to start. I can go ahead and take my roller and roll it right on my lids and begin. Some beautiful textures. Ooh, and some popping. Go ahead and roll, roll, roll. You'll see where you first put it down, it comes out nice and dark. And then even these light areas are really wonderful. This could be a fun activity to put on your favorite tunes and go ahead and roll, roll, roll. So I got a little tear in here. I was being a little rough when it was wet. So if it is getting really wet, it gets fragile. So you might want to wait a little bit, maybe about 15-20 minutes, and come back to it before you start other colors if you notice it's getting too wet. But I kind of like the tear because it gave me another idea. What if I take some tape and just put it right over it? And we'll go with it. Abstract pieces of tape covering my tears. There, it's all fixed. Now I'll put some other random pieces of tape around, and you'll see why in just a few minutes. Now that the tape's done, it's time for some more color. And the fun begins. When you're done, and it's up to you when you're done, if you like what you've done and you want another surprise, go ahead and find your tape and pull it off. You've had fun creating with me and Matisse, Monet, and me. Just know if you don't have bubble wrap, you can always use sponges and you can sponge your work on. If you don't have a roller and you have lots of bubble wrap, you can cut your bubble wrap into different shapes and that will work the same way, and go ahead and put it on how you would like. There's really no wrong or right, just have fun. See you next time.